Setting the primary sitter on a client account enables you to filter clients by sitter and saves you admin time. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. When you first set up your software, you can set the default staff who all incoming requests will be assigned to. This will also be the default staff name selected when services are added to an order, and we will look at this first. However, you may prefer to set some clients up with a different primary sitter, and so we will look at how you can change the primary sitter on a client-by-client basis. To begin, log into your Pet Sitter Plus dashboard. Top tip: if you haven't already done so, set the default staff by navigating to Admin and Settings. Then choose Client Settings. Click the Default Staff drop-down and select the staff name. Click Update to save. All new clients will now have that staff as their primary sitter. For any client with an existing account, you will need to set their primary sitter using the method we will show you in this video. To begin, click on the Clients tab and select the client whose primary sitter you'd like to assign. Click Client Admin from the menu on the left-hand side. There are two ways to set the primary sitter. The first is through the Sitters menu. Important! If you use Teams mode, this menu will not be available to you, so use the alternative method. Choose a sitter from the drop-down menu and click Add New Sitter. Their name will then appear in the table above as the primary sitter if one has not yet been set. You will see a check mark under each column which reflects the access that staff has set in their permissions. For example, they may be able to view the client details but not update them. You can add more than one staff to the list of preferred sitters, but only one person can be the primary sitter. Alternatively, navigate to the Settings page, scroll down until you find the primary sitter field. Click the drop-down to view the list of available sitters. Select the sitter you want to assign as the client's primary sitter. Then click Update to save your changes. The client's profile will now reflect the newly assigned primary sitter. When you add services to an order in the client account, the primary sitter will be pre-selected. Also, when a client sends through a service request from the portal, the primary sitter will be pre-selected and automatically assigned to the service. You can also filter your full client list by primary sitter. Simply click the primary sitter filter and choose the staff name you want to see clients for. You use this option to send more targeted communications. You're all set. That's all it takes to add a primary sitter. This will save you admin time, help streamline scheduling, and ensure consistency across your team. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about Pet Sitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial and you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up.